Are you looking to make money online but don't know where to start? Don't fret, the digital world is a goldmine of opportunities, if you know where to dig. Today, we're going to explore 6 ways you can turn the internet into your personal cash cow. So buckle up and let's take a journey into the world of online money making. The first method to consider is freelancing. If you're skilled in a particular field, there's likely a market for your talents online. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or any other kind of professional, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who need their services. You set the price, you set the hours. It's like running your own business, but without the overhead. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. It's a fantastic way to make money if you have a blog, a website, or a strong social media following. Thirdly, consider selling products online. This could be anything from handmade crafts on Etsy, to vintage clothes on eBay, to digital products like ebooks or online courses. If you've got something people want, the internet is the place to sell it. Fourth, there's blogging. While it might take some time to build an audience, once you do, the earning potential is significant. You can make money through advertising, sponsored posts, and even memberships. If you've got a passion and a knack for writing, blogging could be your ticket to online income. Fifth, try your hand at online tutoring or coaching. If you're an expert in a particular field, there are people out there willing to pay for your knowledge. You could teach anything from guitar lessons to advanced calculus, or even coach people on life skills or business strategies. Finally, consider investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. While this method requires some capital and carries a degree of risk, the potential returns can be substantial. Remember though to always do your homework and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, there you have it. 6 ways to make money online: freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products, blogging, online tutoring or coaching, and investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. Each has its own set of pros and cons, and what works best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and willingness to take risks. Remember, the internet is like the Wild West of money-making opportunities. It's vast, it's untamed, and it's full of potential. So don't be afraid to saddle up and explore. You never know, you could strike gold.